Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Pioneer 1000 5-seat deluxe. This thing has the 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission with paddle shifters, loaded with high-end options including 3,500-pound winch, glass windshield, rear view mirrors, got a beautiful big, looks like a 36-inch light bar on top. That thing will light up the night. It's got an interior light. It's all keyed on the dashboard to operate the light bar and overhead lights and extra battery backup. 4-wheel drive with turf mode. This has got the 5-seat with the dump bed, so these back seats convert into the bed, and it has a bed extender, really high-tech bed extender, really nice. Rear backup lights, beautiful condition, only about 64 miles on this 21 Pioneer 1000 5-seat deluxe. Come on by. Make your Pioneer dreams come true for just $19.99. That's $19,999. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. It's also got the nice roof. Beautiful condition. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.